Did you know cardamom can do more than just flavor your latte? Most of us think of cardamom as that exotic spice that adds a special kick to our favorite drinks and desserts, but there's a lot more to this little green pod than meets the eye. Whether you're a coffee lover, a tea enthusiast, or someone who enjoys experimenting in the kitchen, cardamom is probably already sitting in your spice rack, quietly waiting to reveal its powerful secrets. Scientists call it the queen of spices, and not just because it smells amazing. Cardamom's unique aroma and flavor have made it a prized ingredient in kitchens around the world for centuries, from the bustling spice markets of India to the cozy coffee shops of Scandinavia. But its royal status comes from more than just its taste and fragrance. Cardamom has been treasured in traditional medicine for thousands of years, and now, modern science is catching up to what ancient healers already knew. Here's why you might want to sprinkle more on everything. Cardamom isn't just a flavor booster, it's a health powerhouse. Adding a pinch to your meals or drinks can do wonders for your body, and you don't have to be a gourmet chef to enjoy its benefits. Whether you're making a simple bowl of oatmeal, a savory curry, or even a smoothie, cardamom can easily become your go-to secret ingredient. First up, cardamom is packed with antioxidants. These are natural compounds that help protect your cells from damage and keep your body running smoothly. Antioxidants are like tiny bodyguards, fighting off harmful molecules that can cause aging and disease. Cardamom is loaded with these protective compounds, making it one of the most antioxidant-rich spices you can find. That means it helps your body fight off the bad guys, like free radicals that can make you sick. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage your cells and contribute to everything from colds to chronic diseases. By adding cardamom to your diet, you're giving your immune system a natural boost, helping your body stay strong and resilient against everyday threats. Next, it's a natural bacteria buster. Got bad breath? Cardamom has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for oral health. Its antibacterial properties help fight the germs that cause bad breath, cavities, and even gum disease. In fact, chewing on a cardamom pod after a meal is a traditional practice in many cultures to freshen breath and promote a healthy mouth. Chew a pod, and your mouth will thank you. But wait, there's more. Cardamom doesn't just mask odors, it actually helps eliminate the bacteria that cause them. Plus, its refreshing flavor leaves your mouth feeling clean and invigorated, making it a perfect natural alternative to sugary mints or gum. Cardamom may help lower blood pressure, keep your heart happy, and even boost digestion so you're not stuck feeling bloated. Studies suggest that the compounds in cardamom can help relax blood vessels, making it easier for your heart to pump blood and reducing the risk of hypertension. And if you've ever felt uncomfortable after a big meal, cardamom can come to the rescue. It's known to soothe the digestive tract, reduce gas, and ease bloating, so you can enjoy your favorite foods without the discomfort. Some studies say it might even help fight certain cancers. Now that's spicy. While research is still ongoing, early findings suggest that cardamom's powerful plant compounds may help slow the growth of cancer cells and protect against some types of tumors. It's not a cure, but it's an exciting area of study that shows just how remarkable this spice can be. So, next time you see those little green pods, remember, there's a world of health benefits packed inside. Don't let them sit unused in your pantry. Cardamom is incredibly versatile and can be added to both sweet and savory dishes, from breakfast to dinner and everything in between. They're not just for fancy desserts. Try adding cardamom to your morning oatmeal, sprinkle it on roasted vegetables, or mix it into your favorite baked goods. You'll be surprised at how much depth and warmth it brings to your meals, all while supporting your health. Cardamom is your pocket-sized health hack. It's easy to carry, simple to use, and packs a powerful punch of flavor and nutrition. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, a pinch of cardamom can make a big difference in your day. Go on, spice up your life, the smart and tasty way. With cardamom in your kitchen, you're not just adding flavor to your food, you're adding a centuries-old secret weapon for better health. So next time you reach for a spice, make it cardamom, and let the queen of spices reign in your kitchen.